but I also love the city, and so these first three poems are about the city. It's called Cityscape. Torn paper, wind-tossed, somersaults, litters the curb. Delivery trucks, limousines, buses, crawl bumper to bumper. Pedestrians sprint, sashay to avoid one another. Doormen's whistle, taxi horn bleats, shrill warnings of trucks reversing, fire engines clang, police sirens, Con Edison drills, twittering sparrows and pigeons forage. Park Avenue and 50th Street. Men in pinstripe suits, clutching attaché cases, hurry to meetings where their words of assent fall like sleet, dissolve on corporate rock. Zip code 121, which you probably all know is the Upper East Side. Hair coiffed and sprayed, they patter down the avenue in suits of modest hues. Silk scarves knotted round once firm throats. Lonely women, widows, filling their days idly, stopping to glance at windows, lunching in coffee shops, gossiping, reminiscing, boasting about grandchildren, desperately clinging to reasons for living. And this is city buses. I love riding city buses. Different times, different people. Early morning crosstown bus, suits, attaché cases, Fendi purses, Chanel. M3 downtown, passengers toting redolent plastic bags, Daily News. 12 to 3, Madison Avenue bus, school children take over, pushing, chattering, munching. The panorama, an entertainment I fantasize is the sullen older man in the fur-collared coat, bemoaning a loss in the stock market, or his late wife. Can the frizzle-haired young woman on the cell phone be wondering if her boyfriend's unfaithful? Does the harassed matron, baby on lap, 3-year-old clutching her hand, dream of simpler days? At the 57th Street stop, when the driver lowers the platform for a waiting wheelchair, passengers sit patient, grateful for living in a city that sometimes cares. And this one is called Street Corner. Young men leaning against cars, hands in pockets of tattered jeans, sleeveless tank tops, tattooed arms, hair upright in layers of grease, chains around waists, minds blank. Wait for a spark to kindle them to action, teasing, feinting, sparring, until overheated, explode.